Hello everyone, I am back with the new video. Topic of this video is no goals or confusion of goals with graphology. Before we jumpstart our today's topic, do subscribe to my channel so that you do not miss out on my new videos. Let's first see no goals or confusion of goals with baselines. If your baselines are straight while writing on unruled paper, then you are happy and contented with your life. These people do not have any fire left. They feel they are done with what they had to do with life. These people are relaxed about life and they don't have any future goals. These type of baselines are more suggested for old age people or someone who is of retiring age. If baselines are wavy, then these people are confused about their career. They are generally confused between which options to pick up out of options available. One movement they want to go with one option and another movement they want to go with another option. Constantly confused about which option to pick up on, resulting in not deciding any goals, so confusion of goals. Here comes the example of straightish baselines and wavy baselines. While writing, if two alphabets, one from upper line and other from lower lines, bump into each other, then it's confusion of interest. Means you will be wanting to do lots of different things at same time. Confusion of interest could lead to confusion of goals. Because if you are not clear on what you are interested in, you may not be able to decide which career you should go with out of your different areas of interest. To avoid this, practice writing in such a way that two alphabets do not entangle each other. Here's the example of entangled handwriting and not entangled handwriting. At times there are opportunities and goals too, but due to lack of confidence and or low self-esteem may not let you grab the opportunity, resulting into no goals. To know about confidence and self-esteem with graphology, check the description box. I have already created a video on that. Comment in my box the topics that you would like me to make videos on.